5 cheap weapons that can destroy million-dollar tanks. For decades, tanks have been one of the most powerful weapons on the battlefield. These massive machines are designed with heavy armor, powerful cannons, and advanced targeting systems. Modern tanks can cost anywhere from $5 million to more than $10 million each. But here's the surprising truth about modern warfare. Today, relatively cheap and portable weapons can destroy these multi-million-dollar machines. Recent conflicts like the Russia-Ukraine war have shown the world how small, affordable weapons can completely change the balance of power on the battlefield. In this video, we'll explore 5 inexpensive weapons that can destroy million-dollar tanks. Let's begin. Number 1. The Javelin anti-tank missile. One of the most famous tank-destroying weapons in modern warfare is the FGM-148 Javelin. This portable anti-tank missile system was developed in the United States and is designed to be used by just 2 soldiers. Despite its relatively small size, it is incredibly deadly against armored vehicles. The Javelin works using a fire-and-forget system. That means once the missile is launched, the operator doesn't need to guide it anymore. The missile locks onto the target using infrared technology and then guides itself directly towards the tank. What makes the Javelin especially dangerous is its top attack mode. Instead of hitting the front armor of the tank, the missile flies upwards and then dives down onto the top of the tank, which is usually the weakest part. In many cases, a single Javelin missile can completely destroy a tank that costs millions of dollars. Number 2. NLAW anti-tank weapon. Another powerful and relatively inexpensive anti-tank weapon is the NLAW anti-tank missile system. NLAW stands for Next Generation Light Anti-Tank Weapon, and it was designed to be simple enough that soldiers can learn to use it very quickly. Unlike larger missile systems, the NLAW is extremely lightweight and portable. A single soldier can carry and operate it without needing a large team. What makes the NLAW special is its predicted line-of-sight guidance system. The soldier briefly tracks the tank with the launcher, and the system calculates the tank's future position before firing. Once launched, the missile automatically flies along that predicted path and detonates above the tank, sending a powerful explosive charge downward. Because of its design, the NLAW is particularly effective in urban combat, where tanks are forced to move through narrow streets and are more vulnerable to ambush. Number 3. Loitering drones. Drones have completely changed the way modern wars are fought. One example is the Switchblade 300 loitering munition, a small drone that can fly over the battlefield and search for targets before striking. Unlike traditional missiles, loitering drones can hover and observe the battlefield for several minutes. When they identify a target, they dive directly into it like a flying explosive. These drones are relatively cheap compared to tanks and armored vehicles, but they can still deliver devastating damage. In conflicts like the Russia-Ukraine war, drones have been used to destroy tanks, artillery systems, and other expensive military equipment. Their biggest advantage is precision and flexibility. Operators can control them from a distance, reducing risk for soldiers on the ground. Number 4. RPG-7 rocket launcher. One of the oldest and most widely used anti-tank weapons in the world is the RPG-7. First developed decades ago, this simple rocket launcher is still used by military forces and armed groups across the globe. The RPG-7 is popular because it is cheap, durable, and easy to operate. It fires rocket-propelled grenades that can penetrate armor when they hit the right spot. Although modern tanks are designed to resist such attacks, RPGs can still be extremely dangerous when used at close range or from the side or rear of a tank, where the armor is weaker. Because the weapon is lightweight and portable, it has been used in many conflicts around the world for decades. Number 5. FPV kamikaze drones. One of the newest and fastest-growing weapons in modern warfare is the FPV drone, which stands for First-Person View Drone. These drones were originally developed for racing and hobby flying, but in recent years, they have been adapted for military use by attaching explosives to them. FPV drones allow operators to see exactly what the drone sees through a live video feed. This means the pilot can guide the drone directly into a tank, armored vehicle, or defensive position. The most shocking part is the cost. Some FPV drones used in warfare cost just a few $100s, yet they can destroy or disable vehicles worth millions. In modern conflicts, these drones have become one of the most feared threats on the battlefield. Modern warfare is changing faster than ever before. For decades, large and expensive machines like tanks dominated the battlefield. But today, relatively cheap and portable weapons can neutralize these powerful vehicles. From advanced missile systems like the FGM-148 Javelin to simple FPV drones, technology has shifted the balance of power. This doesn't mean tanks are becoming useless. Armies are already developing new defenses, electronic countermeasures, and active protection systems to stop these threats. But one thing is clear. The future of warfare may not belong only to the biggest and most expensive weapons. Sometimes the smallest and cheapest tools can have the biggest impact on the battlefield.